Flickr, a popular photo sharing and hosting service, is owned by SmugMug. Since its inception in 2004, it has carved a niche for itself among photographers, artists, and photo enthusiasts. Flickr offers a platform where users can store, sort, search, and share their photos online. The platform is well known for its active and diverse user community. Flickr is more than just a photo storage service. It's a platform for creative expression and collaboration. It's known for its extensive photo and video storage, high-resolution image support, and an active community of users. The platform also supports detailed metadata about your photos, like camera information, location, and tags. Furthermore, Flickr provides a groups feature where users can share and discuss images with like-minded individuals. Flickr offers both free and pro versions. The free version offers 1,000 photos or videos, with each file up to 200 MB and 1 GB respectively. For unlimited storage, ad-free browsing, and advanced stats, you can upgrade to Flickr Pro. It costs $6.999 per month or $60 annually. Pro users at $9.99 per month also get priority customer support. Flickr is ideal for photographers, both professional and hobbyist, who need a platform to store, organize, and share their work. It's also perfect for individuals or businesses that want to create an online portfolio. The platform is a great tool for those who want to join a community of like-minded individuals to share ideas, get feedback, or simply appreciate the art of photography. Flickr's main advantage is its high-quality storage and presentation of images, which is appreciated by photographers. Its social features allow for engagement and interaction. The platform also supports Creative Commons licensing, allowing users to control how their work is used. The Pro version provides ad-free browsing, detailed stats, and unlimited storage, making it a valuable tool for professionals. Despite its many benefits, Flickr has some downsides. The free version has a limit of 1,000 photos or videos. There's no native photo editing feature, and it lacks an e-commerce option for selling photos. Additionally, some users find the interface a bit dated and less intuitive compared to other platforms. Lastly, the service has faced criticism over changes to its pricing and storage policies. In conclusion, Flickr is a robust platform for storing, sharing, and discovering photos. Its strong community and high-quality image presentation make it stand out. However, its limitations, particularly for free users, and lack of modern features may deter some. It's a valuable tool for photographers, but those seeking advanced editing tools or e-commerce capabilities may want to consider other options. Flickr shines as a photo storage and sharing platform with a strong community. It offers high-quality image support and detailed metadata. However, it lacks some modern features and its free version has limitations. It's an excellent choice for photographers looking for a community and high-quality presentation, but others may find it lacking. Thank you for taking the time to watch this analysis of Flickr. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative content. We appreciate your support.